If you're having trouble opening JPG or JPEG files on a Windows 11, follow these steps. Start by opening the Start menu, search for Settings. Navigate to the section Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Here, in the search box, type in JPG. Click on the associated option and ensure that Photos is selected. Then click Set Default. Next, head back. Navigate to the section Installed App. Now search for Photos. After it appears, click on three dots, click on the option Advanced option. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find the option of Reset. Click on it and complete this process. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is search for Windows PowerShell. Launch it. Click on the option Run as Administrator. Now go ahead and type in this command prompt and run it. Once done, restart your computer and your JPG file should open without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.